Good morning, dear student. Today we'll start with the chapter of economics, money and credit. As the name of the chapter shows, we shall study the importance of money and credit in the economic development of the country, along with the formal sector loan provided by banks and cooperative and informal sector loans provided by moneylenders, traders, employees, relatives and friends. Money as a medium of exchange. Now the question has come, what is money? Money as a medium of exchange. Money always held a great fascination for all sections of the people from the dawn of civilization to this day. It's greatly charmed the rulers as well as the ruled all over the world. Without money, man is like a bird without its wing. A question generally arises in the mind of everybody, after all, what is money? In simple word, we can say that money is wealth around which the whole economic activity of every country revolves. Various form of money. It would be quite interesting to know the history of money and how it took different forms in a different period. In the beginning, it was a barter system that prevails when the things were exchanged with the goods without the use of money. But such system was quite complicated. Then a variety of objects like the grains and cattle began to be used as a medium of exchange. Main features of barter. It is the oldest exchange system. Goods or service are exchanged for other goods or services. This was no common measures of value, no money or other medium of exchange was used. Double coincidence of want is an essential of the barter system. Barter system, the system of direct exchange in which commodities are exchanged for some other commodities without using any medium of exchange. With the passage of time, coins were invented which quite facilitate the work of buying and selling of different things. Ultimately, the modern of money, like the currency and the check, came into being, which greatly led to the advancement of trade and commerce. Emergence of exchange. With the growth of a civilization, needs of a people start increasing. People who were expert in producing some goods started taking it as a profession. They started collecting other goods that they needs from other producers in exchange of the goods produced by them. Example, a person making stone tools gives the tools to the hunters and get meat against the tools, which led to the development of a barter system. How did money involves? In the primitive age, needs of a peoples were limited and people by themselves collects everything like the food to eat and skin of animals and plant to wear, etc. There was no need of exchange and money. But then the use of money has come up. Firstly, goods are being sold and brought with the help of the money. Secondly, different services are exchanged with money. For instance, teaching and rendering medical help are such services. Thirdly, a person holding money can easily exchange it with any commodity or service that he desires. Everyone prefers to receive payment in money and then exchange the money for article that they desire.